Welcome back to my sofa for episode 2 of Sofa Sessions. My name is Gemma Ann Barnes and I'm a vocal coach and singing teacher. In this episode, I'm going to share my top 3 audition tips so you can nail your auditions. Top tip number 1 is prepare. Honestly, preparation is key. Whether that's making sure you've got the right songs in your rep book, whether you're choosing your song that you're going to take to the audition and making sure that you know it, whether you've got specific material that you need to learn and take with you, whether it be a song or a script, knowing who you're going in for, what role you're going in for, what time you need to be there or what you're going to wear. All of those things are part of preparation. Also, the more prepared you are, the more confident you are going to feel. Tip number 2, be yourself. There is only one you. Even if you're a twin or a triplet, there's something about you that is uniquely you. Embrace that. Don't try to sound and look or be like everybody else. When a casting team or a creative team are meeting you for the first time, they want to get to know you and your voice. If you sound and look like everybody else, you're going to lose your spark and you're just going to blend in. So embrace your uniqueness, at least until they ask you to be a specific character or role. But even then, it's your uniqueness and your special talents that are going to make that role, that character, a perfect fit for you. And number 3, believe in yourself. You are there because you and or the casting director believe you could do that job or play that role. So remember that when you walk in the room. Walk in confidently, take your time with the pianist, don't rush and don't apologise for being there. They want you there, they want you to do well and they want to be able to give you a job. It's your time, use it to share your talent and show them how amazing you are. So there's my top 3 audition tips. If you liked this video, then hit subscribe. And if you've got a question you'd like answered or a topic you'd like me to cover, then let me know in the comments. In the meantime, good luck with those auditions, keep singing, and I will see you soon. Bye!